Guys, listen, you know what, if there's something that we all have in common, it is leftovers in the fridge. And besides, you know, we don't want to throw it away because Mary here will actually slap me if we do actually throw it away. Exactly, you see what I'm saying? Mary Rolfe Lamontin, she's here, she's a cookbook author of Eats, and she is completely anti-throwing food away.
I am.
Dumpster diving, if you have to.
I didn't bring you the gloves this time.
Last time we were here, she actually brought in the most amazing gloves. It was a lot of fun, but yes, we are going to use leftovers this morning to make a empty the fridge bread and butter dish, okay? Or
Absolutely.
bread pudding dish, that's the one.
What you call it bread pudding, it's
Bread
anything.
pudding, yeah.
It's after a braai.
Yeah.
You probably don't have a lot of meat left.
Not in my
I
house.
actually usually have a lot of meat left. And so between meat, roasted vegetables, all those kind of things, you kind of are tired of them and you don't want to have them again the next day the same way.
You want to do something different.
So we can do it this way.
All right. So take
Yeah.
us through what we are doing, because I mean, let's first start with what are the most common things that we tend to throw away?
Bread,
All right.
eggs, milk.
Bread, eggs, and milk.
Isn't that crazy? And then
The
fruits
three
and
things
vegetables.
we always go out to buy, but we also
Right.
don't
And
use
we
them.
don't use them. We think they've gone bad. There's like all these, there's a whole thing about dates and gone bad and all that stuff. So that's the key, is we want to use those up.
All right, so how would you, just as on a side note, kind of preserve it so you don't have to throw it away?
You go to the fridge,
Yeah.
look and see what you have in the fridge, and then you pull them out. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
So the key about the eggs is the eggs you can actually freeze.
You can freeze eggs.
So if you're going away and you know the eggs are going to go bad, break them up, mix them up, put them in a container, pull out your permanent marker,
Look at this one.
and you write exactly what's on it. Because if
Okay.
you don't know what's on it, then... And then when you come home, you can have scrambled eggs for breakfast the first day home.
Clever,
And
I
then
love it.
milk as well, you can freeze.
Yeah.
And then you can also mark it, and you can use the milk to cook the bread pudding when you come home.
Love it. Let's start cooking. What do we need to
Okay,
know?
you need to go to the fridge.
We need to go to the fridge, all right. So over the past while, we've been using this fantastic fridge, the Samsung Food Showcase fridge. So it's got this two kind of doors, so you can actually see in there for a quick look, grab something out the front if you want. We've got our fruit
Wow.
juices in there, and then of course to the back of the fridge, you get all the goodies in there. What do we need, Mary?
Okay, so you have the leftover vegetables.
Alrighty. I'll
Hold on to
grab that.
those.
All right.
Oh, sausage.
Oh, we can do sausage.
There we
yes.
go.
What do we have still?
And I'm going to use, because we're in South Africa, sweet chili.
Nice.
Because that's really yummy. And
anything else?
all these fresh herbs, we've actually, here, we'll bring some parsley. That's a great idea.
Close this guy.
Do you have all those?
I got it.
Okay. I'm going to let you cook again, because you're much better than me. Last time I broke some eggs into the mix, so
You know
off
what?
you go.
We can't have that. What do we do first?
So you're going to put some garlic in the milk.
Okay, so we've got some nice milk and then some garlic going in
So
there.
the garlic you have to infuse. So you let it sit for about 20 minutes.
All
but
right, just on a slow,
we don't have 20
slow
minutes.
simmer,
So
yeah.
we're going to let it infuse a few seconds. Then take it off the heat.
All right.
And then you're going to pour the cream in. Is
There
that
we go.
off?
It's off.
Okay, so we're going to put the cream in to cool down the milk. Yeah, there we go.
All right.
And then we're going to pour it into the eggs. Now the key about the eggs is you don't want to cook them.
It's called tempering.
Wow!
I've
You
learned
have
a thing or
blown
two.
me away. Okay, so put a little. You actually do back and forth, but we're going to just
That's
do
it.
it this way.
All right.
Keep going.
Know that you got to go slow,
Yep.
otherwise you make yourself some scrambled
Scrambled eggs, and we don't need that today. We're doing a pudding instead.
All right.
Okay. Now you can speed it up a
There
bit.
we go.
Okay. There we go.
All of it?
All of it. 100%. So that's 4 eggs. And the key about eggs, which is really fun, if you decide to grow a little urban garden, you can use the eggshells. Never throw out eggshells. So you can use them for
Yes.
various ways. You can use it with your worms,
Okay.
with your compost heap, but best of all, snails don't like
They
shells.
don't like-
So you
yeah,
put them
exactly.
around your seedlings, and then the snails can't go to eat the seedlings.
All right.
Okay, we got to keep going. So this one, I've decided to do, we decided to do a leftover braai pudding. So we're going to take the vegetables. Oh, what you want to do, actually, before we keep doing, we want to put a little bit of...
Oh, sweet chili in there as
Yeah,
well. Oh, in
and-
this mixture, right?
Yeah, how much do you like sweet chili?
Quite a lot. You can. There we go. That should be fine.
There, a lump. There we go. Okay, and we can
that a
actually
good
also
mix.
throw in the parsley. The other thing about parsley, we waste a lot of fresh herbs.
That's it.
I don't know, you use a little bit for recipe, you throw it out. So chop it up, take your fresh parsley, chop it up, put it back in that freezer in a bag with well marked. With
All right.
Yeah. Okay, so there,
Okay, that's nicely mixed.
very easy. You just throw in your leftover vegetables that most of the time ends up in the back of the fridge and
Exactly.
then back into the bin.
All right, with some bread that you've got left over.
And then the
as well,
leftover
yeah.
bread, you can use any kind of bread. Usually when I do a sweet one, I use croissants with a little
right.
chocolate and all. It's really
That could
yummy.
be nice as well.
And then the sausages you want to throw in here.
The Vors.
I know.
Borscht, yeah. Borscht, yeah.
Borscht, yeah.
Buddha borscht.
You know, I've been here 10 years and I still can't say those words. I don't know.
It's okay. Come around here often enough and they will teach you. It's fine. Okay.
Okay, and then we're actually going to put in some cheese in here as well. We're just going to plop it all in there. So it makes the custard, and then let's pour it all in here. We'll do a little salt.
All right, so this all goes in here.
Pour it in, yeah. Okay, we're going to try and keep it. Do you think
in
the
the
bowl
bowl
is big enough? There we go, and it's almost done,
there's
actually.
still a little bit of goodies on that side.
Oh yeah, and then
forget
you
about
want
that.
the sweet chili stuff.
That's it, that should be fine.
Okay.
Right.
And then you've prepared your dish, you've sprayed it, or you've buttered it. We've sprayed this one, so that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna let you pour it in so that I don't make the mess.
All right, here we go.
There we go.
So all just in here.
Yeah. And what you like to, what is good is to let it sit for at least half an hour, so that all the bread absorbs the milk and.
But look at that. So if you would like to get your hands on the recipe for our empty the fridge bread pudding, absolutely delicious by the looks of it. We're going to taste it a little bit later on as well. SMS the keyword Samsung to 33728. That's Samsung to 33728, and we'll send you the shopping. There's also a link to the recipe. Those SMSs cost R1.50. Now we're going to put this guy in the oven. In the meantime, here's a look at how we made our dish.
Heat together milk, cream and garlic, then leave to steep for 20 minutes. Beat eggs, then add milk, mustard and herbs. Mix together vegetables, protein, cheese and bread pieces. Transfer to a buttered dish, then pour on the custard mixture. Leave to sit until liquid absorbs into the bread. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese, then bake in a 180-degree oven until puffed and golden. For the full recipe, visit the Expresso Morning Show Facebook page or log on to www.expressoshow.com. SMS the keyword Samsung to 33728 to receive the shopping list on your phone. Click on the link provided to view the recipe on our Mobi site. SMSs cost R1.50, no free SMSs, T's and C's apply.
All right, and that keyword once again, Samsung to 33728. We'll send you everything you need to know. There we go, in the oven, 180 degrees. How long does it go in there?
Depends.
Up until it's ready.
Nice and brown.
Yeah.
And about 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay, easy as that. And here we have our finished one that you've dished nicely with some fresh herbs on the side as well.
There you go.
Can I have a quick taste?
You can. And don't tell me it tastes like your braai, okay? What do you think? Leftovers. Doesn't taste like a leftover, does it?
That could be a whole meal on itself.
It is.
That
with
is
a little
brilliant.
salad. Isn't that good?
Absolutely delicious. That keyword Samsung to 33728. SMS that, and you could empty your fridge, making something delicious without throwing stuff away. Mary,
Well
thank you
done.
very, very much. I'm
Thank
learning a lot
you.
from you.
You are.
Yeah, thank you for not
Okay.
bringing the gloves as well. We'll chat to you soon. Kat,
you.
what do you think, bud?
Back the doors, open the drawers, get the good stuff out. The Samsung Food Showcase Refrigerator.